Hi everyone. Today we'll see review about a website called Whazzak which claims to hack WhatsApp by just getting the number. I see too many comments which tells you that you can hack WhatsApp using this website Whazzak for free. But WhatsApp makes money by pushing you to download apps and register in the name of human verification. This website will ask you to enter victim's phone number which you want to hack, and this will show all these graphics making you believe that something is happening behind. But from the number it can take only two things. One is the location where you are, whether it's Bangalore or London. It can take only the city, not the precise location. And another is the operator, where or to which operator this mobile number belongs. That is available online and gives you the illusion that it works. But if you go to inspect, go to network, there's nothing happening here. There's no network transitions happening here. It is not sending anything to the server or getting it back. Now it's asking you to download them, but it will not give you the download link. It will ask you to do some human verification, and for that you have to download some crappy apps. And not just download, you will have to even register to the application and use it for a while. Right now in this it's asking you to like some spam comments in some video. I'm sure it is some WhatsApp video where you have to go and type something so that others believe it's legit. And even after doing all that, it will not give you any download file as they show in YouTube videos. The surprising part is you search for Whazzak, there are so many videos which tells it's legit and tells you how it works. They even show you that the file is downloaded at the end, which is completely fake. Even the scamadvisor.com, which tells whether a website is legit or a scam, gives this website 76% positive ratings. That itself is a scam. So don't fall for this. There are no ways you can hack a WhatsApp. There are only two ways you can do it. One is by cloning a SIM, and if you have enabled two-factor authentication you can't do that as well. And the other is by exploiting any bug in WhatsApp, which will be very temporary and WhatsApp will fix it in no time. Since WhatsApp doesn't have username and password, it's not possible for any website to hack it. If it's Facebook and Instagram, it's possible to hack by creating a website with a slightly different name. Once you enter proper username and password, the website can use the credential to hack into your account. But that's not the case with WhatsApp. You will see too many paid comments or spams on YouTube videos which will tell that you can hack WhatsApp using Whazzak. For my videos I have to delete more than 50 such comments every day. And some people don't even delete those spam comments. For example, this video doesn't even have one genuine comment. It's all spam comments. It will be asking you to go to some or the other hackers who will charge money and not even deliver any result. And I'm surprised this site is up since 2 years and people still fall for this scam. So guys, be careful. There's no way you can hack WhatsApp with just victim's phone number. That's all folks. See you in another video soon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that others don't fall for such tricks. Have a nice day. Bye.